Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you love mobile gaming and want the best tips, tricks and strategies, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, I've got something really exciting for you, a simple and effective way to get unlimited gems and coins in Seaside Escape. No complicated steps, no extra software, just an easy hack method anyone can follow. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any key steps. Let's dive in. First, we need to find your user ID. This is an important step, so don't miss it. Here's how to do it. Open Seaside Escape and navigate to Settings. Then, locate your user ID and copy it or jot it down because we'll need it in the next step. All set? Awesome. Let's keep going. Next, open your web browser and go to this website. As you can see, this platform provides tools for various mobile games and apps. But today, we're focusing on Seaside Escape Hack. Use the search bar to find Hack for Seaside Escape and click on it to open the resource generator page. Pretty simple, right? Let's move on to the next step. Now, we need to enter some basic details. Choose your platform, iOS or Android, and enter your username or user ID from step 1. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct and click Proceed to link your account. The system will now sync with the game's servers. This is fully automated and completely safe. Just give it a moment to process. Once your account is connected, you'll see a menu where you can select the gems and coins you want. Choose the amount of gems and coins you'd like and hit the Proceed button. Now, the system will process your request using security encryption to keep everything running smoothly. This usually takes a minute or two, so be patient. We're almost done. To finalize the process, you'll need to complete a quick verification step to confirm you're a real player. This usually involves a small task like downloading and opening an app for a few seconds, or completing a short survey. It's super easy and only takes a couple of minutes. If you get stuck, the website has a video tutorial to walk you through the process step by step. Once the verification is complete, your resources will be added instantly. I tested this method myself, and as soon as I logged back into the game, my balance was fully loaded. Now, I can play without worrying about running out of resources, making the game even more fun and exciting. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like and share this video with your friends. Have any questions? Let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out. Most importantly, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming. See you in the next video.